Welcome back to samaartmedia. I hope that all are doing good. Now my traveling is going to Bhubaneswar in Odisha. But one thing I can see here, Bhubaneswar in and around the city very neat and clean. Particularly, there is no stickers, wall posters in any one of the compound wall wherever I have seen. Instead of that, you can see beautiful art and paintings everywhere. Few I have shown for you in the video. I could not upload all. Now I am entering at Konark in Odisha. I am very happy to paint one of ancient UNESCO certified historical place. I feel proud and happy to paint at Konark. At the place itself, a live painting. This is really unforgettable moment. Entire Odisha represent the art and culture. The people are so good. They are also interested painting and giving more importance to art. Always I am carrying my handy paint kit wherever I am going. Here too I am searching the place to paint. I got it a nice place and only 10 minutes spent to paint. I have completed within 10 minutes. My family members they were rushing up me to go to see other places too. We are heading to Raj Bhavan Bhubaneswar for the releasing ceremony of book entitled Service Uninterrupted, written by my beloved uncle Honorable M. Rajendran, IAS, former Governor of Odisha, and released by Honorable Governor Professor Ganesi Lal, present Governor of Odisha. My uncle has written many books, but this book is more important than others. It's very useful to youngsters. Here, at the time of Azani cyclone, here is heavy windy. Bring out your hidden treasure of imagination in you as painting. Now the painting is ready. Use your imagination to achieve the picture what you want. Enjoy your painting with patience. Need to keep on trying. I meet you in my next painting. I hope that you are enjoying this video. Thanks for watching.